Hey YouTube, this is my Hampton Bay Southwind ceiling fan. Yeah, this is a pretty neat fan. I like it a lot. This ceiling fan was originally in my room. But now it's my master bedroom. Some of you may have seen the Hampton Bay industrial ceiling fan in my room. Yeah, this is what this fan used to be in my room. Anyway, I'm going to turn it on. The fan has 5 blades and 4 lights on the light kit. And the light's controlled by a dimmer switch. So you push it and you turn it to dim or brighten up. And the switch controls the fan. I already turned it on. Alright, I'm going to start on high speed. I'm going to turn it to medium now. I'm going to dim it a little bit. I'm going to turn it to low now. I'm going to reverse it now. It's not supposed to be blowing it down, not up. Right. There it is. I'm going to turn it on. Turn the light on. Hey, turn it off now. This is the download for the ceiling fan. Oh. Anyway, the blades on the ceiling fan are reversible. We're using the black side facing down. We're having the brown side facing up. Yeah, I like this fan a lot. Yeah, looks nice. Nice shades. I'm gonna tighten these up just a little bit. They're a little loose. Alright. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.